Hello guys, happy Thursday. So we're getting much closer to coming back to school now, which is good. Okay, so we're going to keep looking at money, and today we're going to be adding amounts of money. Okay, so if you're in the shop and you're trying to buy two items, you need to know how much it costs altogether, so you know how much you need to pay. Okay, you might pay with a £10 note or a £20 note, and then you'll get change. But you need to know how much the items cost, so you know you've got enough. Okay, so I'm going to look at two ways to add money today. You're going to practice using the one way, but there are the two good ways really for adding money that we need to know really. Okay, so I'm going to show you both today, and then when you do your task, you're just going to use the one way. Okay, so I'll show you my screen now. So when we're adding money, there's two ways, and one way is the partitioning method. Okay, and partitioning means you break the number up into parts. Okay, it's got part in there, part. Okay, you break the number into parts. Okay, so you've got your pounds and you've got your pence. Okay, so we're going to break it up into pounds and pence. Okay, and what we're going to do first is we're going to add the pounds first. So we've got £3. Whoa, what happened with that pound? We've got £3, add £4. Okay, so I know I've got £7. Okay, so we add the pounds first, and then once you've added the pounds, we add the pence. So we've got 20 pence and we've got 30 pence. Okay, so 20p add 30p. Okay, equals 20 add 30 is 50. I know that because 2 add 3 is 5, so 50p. Okay, and then once you've added the pound and added the pence, we need to put them back together. So I've got £7 and 50p. Okay, so my answer is £7.50. Now, sometimes when you do this, you're going to end up with more than 100 pence. Okay, and if you do that, then that's fine. You just take the hundreds, exchange them for £1 or £2 if you've got 200. Okay, but don't worry about that. So we've got £7.50. So I know the eggs and the chicken cost together £7.50. Okay, so partitioning, that is, you add the pounds, add the pence, and put them back together. Okay, the second method is the column method. Okay, and just like any other method, okay, and any other way of doing the column method, okay, you write the number in its place, and then you start on the right, add it up, exchange where necessary, and rename where necessary, and you get your answer. Okay, so we've got our ones, which are our pounds. Okay, then we've got our decimal point. Okay, and then we've got what are called tenths, and that means 10 of these make a whole. Okay, tenths. And then we've got hundredths, which means 100 of these make a whole. So if you've got 100 pennies, you've got £1, haven't you? If you've got 10 10p's, you've got £1. Okay, and I'll show you how this looks. Okay, so you've got £1, 20, add £3.50. Okay, so you line the numbers up so they're all in the right place. Okay, and you start from the right because these are the smallest, aren't they? The pennies. Okay, well, we've got 0 add 0 there. Let me just draw my parallel lines. Okay, whoop, not a very good parallel line, but we go on. Okay, 0 pennies add 0 pennies, 0 pennies. Okay, 2 10p's add 5 10p's or tenths, 7 10p's. Okay, decimal points. £1 add £3, £4.70. Okay, so it's exactly the same as the column method that we already know. Okay, you line the numbers up so they're in the right place, the right column. Okay, you add from the right and you get the answer, £4.70. Okay, now I know everyone in our school, well, in our year group, can do column addition because we've already done it. Okay, so that's the method that you are using to add these up today. Okay, so you got two questions where you have to add up using the column method. If you finish that really easy, try using the partitioning method as well to check it. Okay, once you've done that, there's some word problems on the second page. Just read them carefully, use either method to work out the questions, and then write in the answers. Okay.